Naval Ship Management provides a broad range of asset management, maintenance planning and sustainment services across the Navy's portfolio.
Toowoomba's been an interesting challenge given that we've had to dock the vessel at short notice, but the team's rallied round and been able to make that happen within the timeframes that we've had.
From their origins in 2012, NSM was designed to focus expertise on people, where most value is provided to the customer. Naval Ship Management is an alliance industry participant in the Warship Asset Management Agreement, a strategic partnership with the Commonwealth of Australia, BAE Systems and Saab.
We are the first and only dedicated warship sustainment provider in Australia.
NSM operates under an inclusive prime model, a key aspect to sustainment success that represents the evolution of the Commonwealth's commercial approach to naval sustainment towards long-term collaborative partnerships, and has proved extremely successful in providing Australian small business opportunities for work. It integrates the 4 key building blocks for effective and efficient naval support and sustainment. Strategic partnerships integrated into our services, providing access to data, knowledge and capability relevant for effective and efficient sustainment of Navy's assets. Australian industry capability, core to our commitment to maximise opportunities, which enables Australian industry to invest and upskill their workforce. Building effective collaborative partnerships and being an Australian leader. Investing in people, processes and state-of-the-art digital systems, delivering industry best practice sustainment and support systems for the benefit of the Alliance and the end customer. It is this strong foundation that allows NSM to deliver projects like Toowoomba so effectively.
We emergency docked the vessel to replace an oil distribution box in one of the compartments that controls the pitch and propellers on the vessel. The SMEs that we employ through the NSM supply chain are very important. We wouldn't be here without them. They provide the muscle and the grunt to get us through what we require to do.
We're very proud to have a number of long-term relationships with our suppliers. They've really come on the journey with us, a number of those.
ICAD's main role on HMAS Toowoomba's IMAV has been for the urgent OD box removal route.
We do everything from preservations to engineering. We do hull inserts, we do crop and renews, anything that NSM, in our partnership with NSM, showed us, we take on.
Our main objective was to provide the capability of docking the ship. It's very satisfying knowing that you're playing a small part in maintaining the naval vessels.
Our number one priority is continuing to deliver service excellence in naval sustainment for our customers and industry partners in support of Royal Australian Navy surface ships.
The NSM team should be very proud of the work that it's doing. They continue to provide an excellent outcome to making sure that the Navy's aspirations to fight and win at sea can be achieved through delivering capability and availability back to the Commonwealth. There's a lot of jobs where you don't necessarily get that clear linkage between what you're trying to achieve at the end and the work that you do. And I think we're fortunate within our organisation that we get to work with warships every day, we get to work with the sailors every day, and we can see the benefits of the work that we do directly.